Starting May 2026, there's a date spreading across the internet that's got people excited, confused, and honestly, completely misinformed. You've probably heard it already. Credit scores are about to reset. Everything is changing overnight. Your score is about to skyrocket. But let me stop you right there. There is no magic reset button. And if you follow that hype without understanding what's really happening, you could miss a massive opportunity, or worse, slowly damage your credit without even realizing it. So in this video, I'm breaking down the 3 biggest credit changes happening right now, and we're counting them down from number 3 to number 1. And trust me, number 1 is the shift nobody is truly prepared for. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 3, medical debt. Now listen closely, because this is where most people get it wrong. You've probably heard people say, medical debt is being wiped out, but that's not exactly true. Here's what's actually happening. Paid medical collections are already being removed, and smaller medical debts are not supposed to show up on your credit report anymore. But pay attention to that phrase, not supposed to. Because in reality, reporting delays still exist, and the system isn't perfectly consistent. So what does this really mean? Medical debt is becoming less important, but it's definitely not disappearing overnight. And this matters more than you think, because in the past, people would panic over medical bills. But now, the system is slowly recognizing that medical debt doesn't always reflect real financial responsibility. But here's the trap. Some people hear this and think, I can just ignore medical bills now. That's a mistake, because large unpaid balances can still go into collections, lenders can still see your patterns, and ignoring it completely can come back to hit you later. But if you handle it the right way, this is actually one of the easiest areas to clean up your credit. Now let's move to number 2, buy now, pay later. And this one is about to surprise a lot of people. You already know these platforms, Afterpay, Klarna, Affirm, and many others. Most people treat them like small, harmless payments. But here's the truth, they're not invisible anymore. These companies are now starting to track and report your payment behavior, and that data is being integrated into credit scoring systems. Let me say that again clearly. Your buy now, pay later activity is becoming part of your credit profile. Now think about this for a second. If you have multiple small payments across different apps, all due at different times, and you miss even one, that creates a pattern. And lenders don't ignore patterns. They see risk. They see overextension. They see someone juggling debt. And here's where it gets even more serious. Some of these services don't report anything at all until you miss a payment. So one small mistake, and suddenly negative marks show up on your credit report without any warning. And there's another issue most people don't realize. These are short-term accounts. When you open accounts that only last a few months, you're not building strong, long-term credit history. In fact, you could actually be lowering your average credit age. So while it feels easy in the moment, it can quietly hurt your credit over time. Now we're at number 1, and this is the real shift. This isn't about a date, and it's definitely not about a reset. This is a complete transformation in how your credit is judged. We're talking about behavior-based scoring. Before, your credit score was just a snapshot. Did you pay on time? What's your balance right now? Simple. But now the system is watching your behavior over time. Do you carry balances every month? Do you max out cards and then pay them down? Are you consistent or unpredictable? This is where models like FICO 10T come in, and this changes everything. Because now, you can't just look good for one moment and expect to trick the system. That strategy is fading fast. Now it's all about consistency, discipline, long-term habits, and this is exactly why some people's credit scores are about to rise quickly, while others will slowly decline, even if they think they're doing everything right. Let's quickly recap. Number 3, medical debt is losing its impact, but it's still there. Number 2, buy now. Pay later is exposing bad financial habits. And number 1, behavior-based scoring is changing the entire system. And here's the truth. There is no reset. There is no overnight fix, but there is a shift happening right now. And the people who win are the ones who understand it early and adjust their behavior. If you're serious about improving your credit, type "I'm locked in" the comments. And if you want me to show you exactly how to position yourself for these changes, make sure you subscribe, because I'm not here just to explain this. I'm here to help you win. And if you got value from this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Smart Card Europe, bringing you smarter strategies for credit, finance, and money across the UK, Germany, Europe, and the USA. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next one.